In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at the Left Inspector channel in Logic Pro. The Region Inspector displays detailed parameters for the selected region. Here, you can adjust settings like quantization, transpose, gain, and looping to shape how MIDI or audio regions play back in your project. You can also easily adjust the gain to make it louder or quieter. When you'll click on More, you will find additional parameters like Fade In and Fade Out. Additional parameter settings can be found in the Track Inspector area. We won't go too deep into these options here, since they're not commonly used in everyday workflows. The Settings button lets you load, save, or replace entire channel strip settings. With it, you can quickly apply instrument or effect presets, reset a strip, or store your own custom setups for future use. The EQ button opens the channel EQ for the selected track. It also shows a small frequency spectrum preview, giving you quick visual feedback of your track's audio signal. The Input button lets you choose the audio input source for the selected track. This is where you assign which microphone, instrument, or interface input Logic Pro should record from. The Sends button is used to route a portion of the track's signal to an auxiliary channel. This allows you to add effects like reverb or delay in parallel without altering the original track. The Output button determines where the track signal is sent. Typically, this is set to the stereo output, but you can also route it to other outputs or buses for more complex mixing setups. The Group button assigns the track to a group. This lets you link multiple tracks together, so their parameters like volume, mute, solo, or editing can be controlled simultaneously. The Automation Mode pop-up menu lets you choose how automation is recorded and played back on a track. Modes include options like Read, Touch, Latch, and Write, giving you full control over how parameter changes are applied during playback or recording. The Pan knob controls the stereo placement of the track's signal. With it, you can position the sound anywhere in the left-right field to create space and balance in the mix. The Volume fader adjusts the track's output level. It lets you set the precise loudness of the track within the overall mix. At the bottom, you'll find additional controls such as solo, mute, record enable, and input monitoring. By double-clicking the track name, you can also rename the channel. And that's it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.